Hello friends! Today, please join us to explore the culture, the Hmong community in China. Let's go! Discovery and analysis of Hmong ethnic culture in China. China, a country with a diverse tapestry of ethnicities, is home to 56 recognized ethnic groups. Among them, the Hmong, known as the Mao in China, stand out with their vibrant culture, rich history, and distinctive traditions. This article delves into the profound roots and unique aspects of the Hmong culture in China. Historical background. The Hmong have inhabited the mountainous regions of southern China for millennia. Historical texts suggest their presence dating back to the Qin and Han dynasties. Over time, due to various socio-political reasons, many migrated to Southeast Asian countries such as Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand. Language and literature. The Hmong language is a part of the Hmong main language family. It has multiple dialects, reflecting the group's internal diversity. While the Chinese script is prevalent due to nationwide education policies, the Hmong have their unique scripts, like the Pahai and Tab Pine Tab, used in rituals and embroidery. Traditional attire. Hmong traditional clothing is renowned for its intricate embroidery, which tells stories of their myths, beliefs, and daily life. Colors and designs vary among subgroups, such as the blue Hmong, white Hmong, and green Hmong. Silver accessories, headdresses, and pleated skirts are common adornments. Festivals. The Hmong New Year is the most significant festival, marking the end of the harvest season. It features vibrant parades, music, dance, and traditional games. This occasion also serves as a platform for young individuals to meet and court potential life partners. Religion and spirituality. Animism and ancestor worship are central to Hmong spirituality. Rituals, often led by shamans, bridge the divide between the physical and spiritual worlds. They believe in the existence of spirits in nature and the importance of maintaining harmony with them. Music and dance. The qiche, a traditional wind instrument, plays a pivotal role in Hmong ceremonies. The sound is believed to communicate with the spirit world. Dance forms, synchronized with qiche tunes, narrate stories of creation, wars, and human experiences. Conclusion. The Hmong culture, with its myriad colors, sounds, and tales, is a testament to the rich ethnic diversity of China. As modernization sweeps across the globe, the preservation of such unique cultures becomes paramount. Recognizing, celebrating, and understanding the Hmong heritage can pave the way for a more inclusive world. Thank you for watching.